Hello everyone, my name is Anmol Malviya and currently I am working as a data analyst in Addend Analytics. Welcome to the new video on ChatGPT for data analytics. Today we are going to explore how artificial intelligence, specifically ChatGPT, can help you understand SQL queries and code, and how it will help you to add comments and optimize your SQL code. Whether you are a beginner trying to learn SQL or an experienced professional seeking on-the-job support, this AI-powered chatbot can help your journey a lot easier. So let's get started. First, we have to log into ChatGPT and you will get this interface. And as a first prompt, we will establish the role for ChatGPT. We will ask ChatGPT to pretend to be a SQL expert. We did this to make ChatGPT think like an SQL expert. So let's imagine you are working in a company and you are facing issue with some complex SQL queries that you don't quite understand. This is where on-the-job support becomes crucial. People often require assistance in comprehending the code they are working with. Let's say you have a piece of SQL code but you are struggling to decode it. So how ChatGPT will assist you? That's the focus of today's video. So let's begin with a practical basic example. You can take a code snippet. I have already copied a code here. So as you can see here, it's a basic 2-line code and I want to understand it. So I will enter the prompt as explain the below code. So when we enter this prompt, ChatGPT will define the code for you step by step. It will explain you each clause and provide you the detailed description what that code contain. Let's say you have any complex code, a lengthy code. So I have pasted a lengthy code and I want to understand this code. So again I will do the same. I will ask ChatGPT to explain the code to me. You can also specify the level on which you want to understand. If you are a beginner, so you can tell the ChatGPT that explain it to a beginner. So we will simply enter this prompt. ChatGPT will automatically analyze the code and provide you the output. It automatically understood that it's a SQL Server code and it is a stored procedure, and then it will provide you all the details. Let's say you don't want to get the detailed description, you only want a summarized or concise explanation. So what you will do, you will tell ChatGPT that explain it within 50 words. And then when you enter this, ChatGPT will summarize the output. Now suppose you are a professional with expertise in sales and marketing and you would like this code to explain to you in the context of your domain. So you have to enter the prompt as I am working as a sales and marketing professional, so can you explain it in such a way that it can be easily understandable for me. So when you enter this prompt, ChatGPT will explain this code in such a way that it can be easily understandable for you using the terms of your domain. Now let's talk about code optimization. Code can get lengthy and complex over time, but there are ways to make it more concise and efficient. So if I want to optimize the above code, I will simply have to enter the prompt as optimize the above code. And then you have to say that make it more concise. And when you enter this prompt, ChatGPT will rewrite the code, adding comments to it. If you want to add comment to each step, then you can simply say so in this way ChatGPT will add comment to each step and you can easily understand the code. So with AI chatbots like ChatGPT, you have a valuable tool at your disposal to assist with SQL queries. So this is all about how we can use ChatGPT as our SQL assistant and to add comments to the SQL codes and to easily understand the code, and then how we can optimize our code. Thank you for watching the video.